All right, boys and girls, we have 5 minutes before we get to go to library time. So we're going to play a quick brain builder game called Move and Wait. We are going to make a line in just a moment, and when we line up, I'm going to pull the line leader's name from the jar, and you're going to line up right here on December, and everyone's going to line up behind you on the dark blue part of the rug. And if we get all the way to the snowflake, then you go this way. So everyone will be standing on dark blue. Capiche? Okay, here are the rules. 2 rules. Rule number 1. When the music plays, you walk around the room without touching anyone or anything. Remember, only your feet can touch the floor, and that's it. Rule number 2, when the music stops, you freeze, and you have to wait to move until the music begins again. What can you say to yourself when the music stops, and you have to help yourself stand still and wait? Is there anything you could say in your head to help you keep your body still? Maggie? Stay still, stay still, stay still. Brian?
What do good listeners look like?
So you could be a good listener?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tammy?
Balance.
Balance, excellent. All right. If you do not follow the rules, you are going to be out, and you're going to come sit down up front against the wall. And then you're going to be a judge, and you're going to look for other people who aren't following the rules, and you get to call them out too. Okay? Are we ready to try this? Nathan, you're going to be our leader. So you get to come sit on December. Everyone else, remember, dark blue, and if you get to the snowflake, you are turning the corner. So when it starts, you start moving, okay? They're going to follow you. Violet, you're out. You can help me look for other kids. If they touch anyone.